Here's a short report on, well, it's supposed to be the bit where I say what a fantastic lot of work the volunteers have done. But as you can see, it's Saturday and it's raining quite a lot. Just amazing. I suspect this is what it's like across the west coast of Scotland at the moment. We've seen pictures of landslides, all sorts, but this is just, I've never seen anything like this up here. You know, we've had a very, very wet fortnight before this, but this is just extraordinary. So I'm just going to go and check the bridge and make sure that all the work the volunteers did over the last fortnight is still in place. That roar is the roar of the river at the moment. Quite extraordinary. As you can see, I'm presently under the arch, and I've got to say, it is looking fantastic. Not only is the work that we're seeing here just really well done, but also, now that the lime has gone off, the whole of the structure is no longer leaking. So in other words, the water is now running off the bridge. Well, that's the idea. I'm standing at the scaffold end of the top layer at the moment, and what I'm going to do is just switch around to the forward camera so you can see the waterfall. Hold on. I don't know whether you can see that, but it is absolutely pouring down. Just amazing. And yet inside, barely a drop. Eland and the volunteers have done an outstanding job with this. I'll take some more detailed photos on a finer day, I think, when the light is better. And this is at the lower part of the arch, and you can see the work that the volunteers have put into the bridge. It really is outstanding. It's worked extremely well. And the bridge will therefore be much the better for it. Isn't that extraordinary? Congratulations to all our jammers from this September. They worked in the rain to produce a really outstanding piece of work. So I'm quite amazed at this river. It feels just amazing. It is amazing. I'm quite scared of it, and we would never get this close usually, but because of the scaffolding, I'm going to now show you some footage which is just extraordinary. I don't know whether you can see that, but I'm now going to go to the other side of the lower scaff. That is extraordinary. Actually on the surface is looking really good. It's getting rid of its water. which is what we wanted to do, which is excellent. And this is what we're looking at. Isn't that incredible? And then, just for emphasis, let's just have a look at this side, which is even more amazing. Look at that.
Around the corner of one of the upper paths to the ravine, and I'm actually almost speechless, which is not like me. I have never seen the water like this. It's so high. The whole of the lower bank has disappeared underwater. I'm going to go down. And good Lord, look at that. I'm a bit staccato because I'm taking it easy. Very, very treacherous. That's incredible. That is a small waterfall with a rock pool where our children used to swim when they were tiny. Busy doing its dramatic thing. I'm going to cut now and carry on. Well, I said I was going to carry on a bit further. We've had a landslide, okay? So the view, the sky that you can see through the trees at the top, that's one of the lower lawns to the right of the castle, if you're standing with your back to the castle, and it's adjacent to the path that our tour guide takes our guests on. But as you can see, this is now sludge. Right. Luckily, this is going to be, will I get through? Shall I get through? Right, I'm climbing in a, oh Lord, rhododendron. Lovely. Do you know what? I'm not going to get through. Oh my goodness. No. I don't think I'm going to get through. Anyway, I got so far.
Time to go and have a look at the bottom of the stanchions, just to make sure that that's all looking okay. Go. That is the river at full force. I'm not even sure I should be here really. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting, looking at the bridge and looking at our drainage issues and looking at the rainfall. We'll see you next time.